तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू बढ़ता चल.
Often people have ample amounts of talent and resources but lack the inner drive to achieve great things in life. How can one develop this quality? Okay. Interesting question. Motivation is something which cannot be planted from outside. It has to come from inside. It made Eklavya a better archer than Arjun. That is far back into history. It becomes part of mythology. So we can leave that. Let us come to real world. Please go and search out one guy named Julius Yego, a guy from Kenya, where everybody is running. And Julius Yego is known as a YouTube athlete. He learned all his technique, training regimen, and all that from YouTube, and he won a world championship in javelin throw. He threw up over 92 meters. This motivation made General Dogra do the Ironman. We have his interview record with us. Please read our essay on motivation in the book, The Practical Guide. It will give you ideas about motivation, and you can evolve your own plan to how to motivate yourself to do the things.
Sometimes during GD, other candidates don't let me complete my point. So, should I stop him and say chest number so and so, please let me complete first?
Okay. Yes, you should do that. Being assertive means being fair to others and also demanding fairness to ourselves. You can say, I am still speaking. This is the thing you should do. Please read our blog on assertiveness, and it is an important quality. Please develop this quality. Any questions on this one?
To develop this quality of assertiveness, sir, can you suggest some ways in which we can do this?
In daily life, even at home, there are possibilities. You may have your elder brother, and in our society, culturally, boys are assertive at home, girls are not. And I would not say assertive. I mean, sometimes they are insolent, and girls are submissive. So please develop that. Demand fairness.
Okay.
Fine.
Like girls are more like accepting the things.
Yes.
Okay.
See, assertive is one thing, dominating is one thing, submissive is another thing. Fine. So
Yes, sir.
that is what it is. So assertive behavior is the correct behavior.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, दुकानदार से भी है. It will happen. Some boys may go, if there is a sales girl, वो उससे दब जाएंगे कि ये लड़की अंग्रेजी बोल रही है, तो एक ही कमीज देख के तसल्ली करके ले लेंगे. Does it happen or not? आशीष,
Yes, sir.
होता है? तो
यस सर, एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट सर, वैसे भी लड़कियां सर ज्यादा असर्टिव होती हैं, बार्गेन कर लेती हैं आराम से, लड़के कहाँ कर पाते हैं सर.
that is an outlook. It depends, but these things do happen. So we should
sir.
just be fair to others and demand fairness to ourselves. That is about all. Fine?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes.
Sir, I have a follow-up question on this point.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. So, sir, like, if we do not agree with, someone's point, so can you just say that, okay, I don't agree? Because, before I joined your guidance, so I was influenced with one of the person who has attended the coaching academy. And he used to tell me that we can't say, that we don't agree with some point. We should say that I partially agree, or we should say that, okay, I have something to add on. So, like, is that a negative? Because if I don't agree, I don't agree. So can I say that in a blunt way?
Yes, please maintain your integrity. Don't get into these kind of complications of diplomatic niceties. Be frank. You do not have to be rude, but be frank. I remember I had a situation where there were American students who were making a presentation in Defense Services Staff College, and they had made our map wrongly. POK was shown as part of Pakistan, and our commandant got off, Lieutenant General, and he said that this map is not acceptable. I mean, when you start a presentation, you should use proper tools. Fine. And this is like it was a matter of international significance, because there were Americans, major was there, major and a captain, and here was our Lieutenant General. Very rightly so. You're getting the point.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Yeah. So you have to. Fine. I myself had a situation where I was a delegation leader of Indian troops with talks with People's Liberation Army, and they had put our flag in the wrong direction, so I had to correct it.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Yeah.
What is gut feeling? Is it the same as being impulsive? How much one should rely on it for making critical decisions?
Okay, yeah, good question. Anything other than pure rationality is based on emotions. We should not be going by such things. Please read our essay on decision making. All critical decisions should be made rationally. There are very few decisions in life where you should give due weightage to emotions, and those are decisions related to family matters. Otherwise, for the organization, even for your personal life, most of the time you should be taking decisions based. Emotions would be like, you are getting a job offer which it seems will give you better career enhancements, it's giving you better salary, but it does not suit your family needs. You have to look after your family, and locating yourself to a place which is far off may not be suitable. You can read the case of Tarun, who was a boy from Lucknow. He got selected in Coast Guard, and then I advised him not to join Coast Guard, which he was feeling not very good. And I said, please join SBI. That would be better, because he had lost his father, and he had to look after his mother as well as sister. So, with my experience, I felt I was in a better position to guide him to take this decision. He abided by his decision, and later on he feels that probably it was a better decision. Fine. Otherwise, we should take decisions based on rationality. Gut feeling is emotional aspects. Fine.
What should be the schedule of a job doing aspirants to focus on SSB?
Please read our blog on the 70-day plan. It is there on our video also. It will give you a fairly good idea. In that, we have the case we have taken of the individual sample is of a working person. and how he or she made the plan. It will give you some, guidelines for that. Have you had a look at it?
Yes, sir. So I have seen that video and I have already making a plan of one.
It is making sense, no? You
Yeah,
can
like
use
that.
it as a guideline. No? You can do that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine, fine. Okay.
Okay, sir.